Just want to do a couple minute video here on the 1964.5 Mustang Coupe. This is a 289 D code. D code obviously is very rare. 289 4-barrel, kind of the predecessor to the K code 289 Hypo. Short run, very desirable. This is the original motor that came in the car. It's also the original 4-barrel carburetor, so if you've ever tried to search for a 4-barrel carburetor that is the correct D-code carburetor, that's anywhere from a $2,500 to $5,000 carburetor, so very sought after. This car's been restored. I'm not going to tell you this is the highest quality of restoration, but this is definitely a nice restoration. Not a trailer queen, can be driven. It's very good paint. Repainted back to the original burgundy red. These are real Mustang hubcaps, not some knockoff brand of Mustang hubcaps. All the chrome has been replaced. So the chrome trim, the bumpers, the tail light surrounds. There's your trim tag. This is all original interior colors, been redone, but this is correct interior colors. Seats are very nice. I hope the sun works with me here. All restored, new carpet, new dash, new door panels, new back seats, new package tray. Headliner is completely redone and looks immaculate. New visors. I think this is original steering wheel, but it's got the horn didn't go off there. I'll try it once we start it. Which, while we're here, let's just give it a quick start. It's just a quick hit. No need to step on the gas pedal, no nothing. It's got one of the vintage stereo replacements. Shows 52,000, I'm sorry, shows 5,230 on the odometer. Fuel gauge does work. And this is a little two-handed operation, but I'll pop the engine bay real quick. Pull underneath. The engine bay is really nice and tidy. Windows and hoods completely painted. Correct valve covers. Code. Pretty certain that this is not the original brake booster, obviously. Would have had a manual, just a manual master cylinder. It's got a little proportioning valve. So I know that's not original, but it doesn't help the driving tremendously. I mean, the hood closes one hand. Barely pushed on it. Asking $24,900. Cash is always the right color, smells right. I'll take offers.